Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will show you how you can easily add a professional size chart to your Wix store. We will use size chart app by Boost Apps from Wix App Market. And let me show quickly core features of this app. The app has a lot of pre-made templates, and you can easily create size chart in a few clicks using it. It has a best flow from the big e-commerce brands, so you can keep customers on the product page with a pop-up size chart. It also has automatic unit conversion. It makes it easy for your customers from all around the world to convert sizes from centimeters to inches. And also app has a fully responsive design. To add the app to your store, press Add to Sites button and finish the default installation flow. You will find the link to this app in the description to this video below. After the installation, the widget of the app will be added to your product page with sample data. You need to save changes and go to apps dashboard. You will find this button above the apps widget here, or you can also go directly to your store's dashboard and find apps section and choose Boost Size Chart app. Now we'll press Add Size Chart to create our first own size chart. We can create multiple size chart and assign it to multiple products. So we will need some unique name for our size chart. By default, we'll use this name. It's only for internal use. After that, we can use templates, for example, women's top, and app will automatically add the data. If you want to start from scratch, you can choose this option. Let's go below. As we can see, we have a size chart settings. In the top content field, we can edit text and name of our size chart, which will be visible for our customers. Then we can edit columns, rows, and its content. For example, we can choose another size. It's important to understand that a template is a great start, but each brand has its own sizes, so make sure you edited it for your own needs. For bottom content, we have instruction for our customers how to measure. You can also edit this information. You can choose another image. Another step is to decide if we need unit conversion. If you sell goods worldwide, it will be important to add this feature. Let me show how. I turn it on. My data is in centimeters, so here is original values in centimeters. If you have inches, you can change it. And in the preview widget, we can see how it will look for our customers. Now the button was added, and we can switch between centimeters and inches. We have size data and instruction. Great. And final step is to decide we need to assign this size chart to all products, to specific products, or some categories. If we choose to add it to some product, we can press this button and find the product from the list. For example, this one, and press add. Now don't forget to press save and activate button, after which size chart will be added to your live website. Let's go to the website and see the results. We have a size chart button on the product page. We click it and get a beautiful pop-up with all the information for our customers. Great work, thank you for watching, and please press like to this video.